Want to edit multiple lines in Vim fast? You could use visual block mode, but there's a better way, the normal command. Let's compare both and see when to use which. Hi, my name is Marco. Let's dive right into it. Let's say we have this list of some of our favorite command line tools, plus a helpful reminder. First, let's fix up this list. This tool clearly doesn't belong here. That's better. Now suppose we wanted to add a leading dash to each of these lines. We could use visual block mode for that. So Ctrl V, jump to the end of this paragraph, capital I, dash, space, escape, and that will work fine. But now let's suppose we wanted to add something to the end of each of these lines. Let's try it again. Jump to the end of this line, enter visual block mode, go down, press capital A, and let's say rocks, escape, and you see this is all messed up. Let's undo this. Now I'll show you the power of norm, or the normal command. I'll show you how to do this in two ways. We could either enter command mode and simply type the range of the lines we want to act upon. So let's do 1,7. Then we type norm, and space, then capital A, rocks. Enter, and you see this works like a charm. Let's undo this. As an alternative to manually typing out the range, we could just visually mark it. In visual line mode, go to the end of this paragraph, and then enter command mode, and then we can also type norm, A, rocks. Let's add an exclamation mark this time, enter, which is also very handy sometimes. But the normal command is much more powerful than simply inserting text. It gives you the power of any command over any range. So let's try something else here. For this example, I'm gonna simply use the whole buffer as a range. Let's say we wanted to emphasize the first word on each line. So enter command mode, type %sign for the whole buffer, then type norm, space, enter 0 to jump to the beginning of the line. Then we jump forward a word. Then we enter insert mode with I, type an asterisk. Then we do a little trick, Ctrl V and escape. Lets you type the escape key inside the command mode. Let's type E to jump to the end of the word, A to append, type another asterisk, and then hit enter and hope this works. Looks good. So these were just a few examples of how you can use the normal command. But you can do really complex stuff with this. I hope you had some fun and learned something. If you want to learn about 7 more Vim tips and tricks I wish I learned sooner, click this video here. Thanks for watching, see you around, and take care.